one point is training the model. If the model is trained, and again, that might be as simple as giving it examples like, hey, I want to book appointment, this is what you need to do. So that would be at the training the model time. On the far right would be changing that API or changing that MCP for what I'm concerned, like the tool description, like in an API description of that endpoint, like maybe you have an endpoint get me availability. You might hint in the description the users, hey, maybe you want to also call, like, give me the working hours and check the time zone before you use any information from this endpoint. So that would be changing that information in that API itself, or maybe providing designing a specific endpoint, like for that particular use case on that API, right? So you can train model, you can change APIs, and there are, of course, things that you can do in between. That's, of course, prompting the agent, having some system prompts when you are doing this, think about this and that, or maybe doing it on the tool level or doing it in the translation layer where you get the tools from MCP, but before you expose those tools to the agent, to the model. So there are like different points in that AI application where you can tackle this. And of course, it depends on where you can. Maybe you are not allowed to change the model. Maybe you cannot change that API. So that's, you need to, and you cannot touch the MCP server. So you need to do it after you get that information from the MCP server. So it really depends where you are, how much control you have over the entire stack between the model and the API call.